Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create motivational AI videos like this.
Never be shy at 4 things. Number 1, old clothes. They don't define your talent.
This Instagram account got hundreds thousands of followers and viewers by creating this AI motivational video. I'm going to show you how you can make this video with the help of AI. First, you have to go to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt that you can create a Shaolin Master's image with the help of an image generator AI tool. Write me a prompt to generate an image of a Shaolin Master. Here is our prompt. ChatGPT smartly creates a prompt for us. Now, we need to create an image. Here is a free famous AI image generated tool called Leonardo. Search for leonardo.ai. Now, click on Create an account. Sign up with your Gmail account. Now, you have to choose your favorite things that you want to create in Leonardo. Check out the dot option. Then, write a username. Make sure it's different and available. Now, wait for the available verification of your written username. Then click on Next. Then, keep pressing Next. Then let's go. Continue the process till the end. Close this subscription tab. Type of prompt here. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste here. Today, we are creating a short video. That's why I am using 9:16 ratio. Click on Generate. It will take a few minutes. It depends on your computer specification and your internet speed. Here is our generated image. Download one of them by clicking this download button. Now, we need to animate our picture. Here is also a free tool named Studio DID. Search for Studio DID and click on the first link. Sign up with your Gmail account for the first time. Now click on Generate Video. Click on Add. Select that picture and click Open. On the right side, you need to paste your script. For script, ask ChatGPT for a simple motivational quote. Copy the quote and paste here. Now, click on the Generate Video button. It will take a little time. It depends on your internet speed. Once it's done, click on Download. Our animated video is ready.
Believe in yourself and you will.
After a few color corrections and adding subtitles in CapCut software. Final output in front of your eyes.
Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech content. See you in the next video.